Good morning, everyone. Today, we're going to practice simple English sentences that Americans use every day. Listen, repeat, and try to say them out loud with us. Ready? Let's begin.
Sentence 1. I wake up at 7 o'clock. Say it again. I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Sentence 2. I drink a glass of water after I wake up. Again, I drink a glass of water after I wake up. Sentence 3. I wash my face every morning. Say it again. I wash my face every morning. Sentence 4. I brush my teeth before breakfast. Again, I brush my teeth before breakfast. Sentence 5. I take a shower every morning. Say it again. I take a shower every morning. Sentence 6. I get dressed for work. Again, I get dressed for work. Sentence 7. I make my bed every day. Say it again. I make my bed every day. Sentence 8. I eat a healthy breakfast. Again, I eat a healthy breakfast. Sentence 9. I drink coffee every morning. Say it again. I drink coffee every morning. Sentence 10. I leave home at 8 o'clock. Again, I leave home at 8 o'clock.
Great job. Those were your morning routine sentences. Now let's continue with something you'll use every single day. Travel and work English.
Now let's practice English you'll use while traveling to work. These are simple sentences you'll hear every day in American English. Listen, repeat, and speak with confidence.
Sentence 11. I wait for the bus every morning. Again, I wait for the bus every morning.
Sentence 12. I drive to work every day. Again, I drive to work every day.
Sentence 13. I listen to music on the way to work. Again, I listen to music on the way to work.
Sentence 14. I always wear my seatbelt. Again, I always wear my seatbelt.
Sentence 15. I arrive at work at 9 o'clock. Again, I arrive at work at 9 o'clock.
Sentence 16. I check my emails every morning. Again, I check my emails every morning.
Sentence 17. I answer phone calls from customers. Again, I answer phone calls from customers.
Sentence 18. I have a meeting with my team. Again, I have a meeting with my team.
Sentence 19. I take a short coffee break. Again, I take a short coffee break.
Sentence 20. I eat lunch with my coworkers. Again, I eat lunch with my coworkers.
Excellent. You're already learning the English people use every single day at work. But don't stop now. Next, we'll practice useful English for shopping and running everyday errands.
Great job! Now let's practice English you'll use while shopping and running everyday errands. These are simple sentences Americans use all the time. Listen, repeat, and speak with us.
Sentence 21. I buy fresh vegetables at the grocery store. Again, I buy fresh vegetables at the grocery store.
Sentence 22. I pay with my credit card. Again, I pay with my credit card.
Sentence 23. I keep my receipt. Again, I keep my receipt.
Sentence 24. I buy medicine at the pharmacy. Again, I buy medicine at the pharmacy.
Sentence 25. I go to the bank once a month. Again, I go to the bank once a month.
Sentence 26. I get a haircut every month. Again, I get a haircut every month.
Sentence 27. I borrow books from the library. Again, I borrow books from the library.
Sentence 28. I go to the gym after work. Again, I go to the gym after work.
Sentence 29. I walk my dog every evening. Again, I walk my dog every evening.
Fantastic! You're doing great. Now, let's go back home and practice the English you'll use every evening with your family. Welcome home! Now let's practice the English you'll use every evening. These are simple sentences that native speakers say naturally every day. Listen, repeat, and imagine you're saying them in your own home.
Sentence 31. I cook dinner every evening. Again, I cook dinner every evening.
Sentence 32. I keep fresh food in the refrigerator. Again, I keep fresh food in the refrigerator.
Sentence 33. I wash the dishes after dinner. Again, I wash the dishes after dinner.
Sentence 34. I clean the kitchen before I relax. Again, I clean the kitchen before I relax.
Sentence 35. I watch TV with my family. Again, I watch TV with my family.
Sentence 36. I play games with my children. Again, I play games with my children.
Sentence 37. I call my parents every weekend. Again, I call my parents every weekend.
Sentence 38. I drink a cup of tea before bed. Again, I drink a cup of tea before bed.
Sentence 39. I read a book before I go to sleep. Again, I read a book before I go to sleep. Excellent. You've now practiced 40 useful English sentences. But here's the exciting part. Next, we're going to put these sentences together in one natural conversation, just like real Americans speak every day.
Now it's time for the fun part. No more repeating one sentence at a time. Let's listen to a real conversation. See how these simple sentences come together naturally. Try to understand without reading. Ready?
Hey, Bella. How was your day? Pretty busy? It was. I woke up at 7, drank some water, and made my bed before breakfast.
Sounds productive. Did you drive to work today?
No, I waited for the bus and listened to music on the way.
Nice. What did you do at work?
I checked my emails, answered phone calls, and had a meeting with my team.
Did you have lunch at work?
Yes, I ate lunch with my coworkers. After work, I stopped at the grocery store.
What did you buy?
Fresh vegetables, some fruit, and a bottle of milk. I paid with my credit card.
Then you went home?
Exactly. I cooked dinner, washed the dishes, watched TV with my family, and now I'm ready to relax.
That sounds like a perfect day.
It really does.
Did you notice? Nothing in that conversation was difficult. Every sentence was short, simple, and useful. That's exactly how everyday English works.
And here's something important. Native speakers don't use difficult grammar all the time. They use simple sentences, again, again, and again. If you master these, you'll understand thousands of real conversations. But before we finish, let's see how many sentences you can remember in one final challenge.
Amazing work! You just practiced 40 everyday English sentences. Now, let's see how much you remember. Don't worry if you don't know every answer. Just try your best.
Challenge 1. Complete the sentence. I blank up at 7 o'clock. The answer is, I wake up at 7 o'clock. Excellent. Challenge 2. Complete the sentence. I blank breakfast before I go to work. The answer is, I eat breakfast before I go to work. Great job. Challenge 3. Complete the sentence. I blank my emails every morning. The answer is, I check my emails every morning. Perfect. Challenge 4. Complete the sentence. I blank dinner every evening. The answer is, I cook dinner every evening. Fantastic. Challenge 5. Complete the sentence. I blank a book before I go to sleep. The answer is, I read a book before I go to sleep. Excellent. That's exactly how you become fluent. Not by memorizing difficult grammar, but by repeating useful English every single day. Here's your challenge. Write one sentence about your morning, one sentence about your work or school, and one sentence about your evening in the comments below. We'll read as many comments as we can. If you enjoyed today's lesson, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Talk Bella, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new English lesson.
Thank you so much for practicing with us today. Keep listening, keep speaking. And remember, one simple sentence every day can change your English forever. We'll see you in the next episode. Bye, everyone.